Check out this GMC 2021 Sierra 2500 HD Denali. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include multicolor 15-inch diagonal head-up display, transmission Allison 10-speed automatic. Denali Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment. Denali Ultimate Package includes CUM Technology Package and CF5 Power Sunroof. Trailer Tire Pressure Monitor Sensors includes set of 4 sensors. Sensor functionality requires U1D in-vehicle trailering app to be ordered with the vehicle and installed by the factory. Sensors will be shipped loose with the truck and will need to be installed on trailer by customer. System is capable of monitoring up to 6 wheels. Additional or replacement sensors are available